you, but the vibe was wrong, and it haunted me on the way home.
My name is Roy Bråten. I'm 45 years old. I am the restaurant manager. I'm the owner. I have had restaurants since I was 20, so 25 years now. And this is my 10th restaurant I built from scratch. The sound system, oi, 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 where should I begin? So this was the first time I'm working with Void, and I love it. I really, really love it. Really nice to have it in my restaurant because the customer or really see the name and oh wow, Roy. And for me, the sound is really, really great. Thomas did everything with the Threshold Audio, his guys, and lovely and really professional. Amazing guys to work with. I love the system. I like the design. The design is really nice. I think that was not so aggressive. It was soft and nice. I like that design to what I have here, to the cozy. Yeah, it's amazing. And my DJs love it. Amazing. Amazing. Void is amazing.